First question is Jinnah of Pakistan book was written by. Next question is Qaid-e-Azam reached Karachi before the partition on which date? Next question is the first recipient of Nishan-e-Haider is. Next question, first round table conference began in. Next question, which country is without seaport? Next question, which Pakistani peak is known as Dumani Peak? Next question, Quiet India movement is also known as. Next question, Pakistan is a dash state. Next question, Ayub Khan appointed whom head of Constitution Commission? Next question, objective resolution became part of Constitution in. Next question, cleanest beach near Hub, Balochistan. Next question, partition of Bengal by Lord Curzon. Next question, Indian aircraft crossed LOC before Balakot in 2019. Next question, India occupied Kashmir in. Next question, poor man budget was presented by. Next question, Baba Farid belonged to which Sufi order? Next question, Kashmir Black Day. Next question, PMA stand for. Next question, largest Muslim country by area. Next question, book Ilmul Istiyaq was written by. Next question, Ahmad Shah Abdali was defeated by the Mughals in the era of. Next question, Hiran Minar was built by. Next question, who was the head of Punjab Boundary Commission? Next question, Sadiqin was famous for. Next question, head of the government according to 1973 Constitution. Next question, Pakistan approved climate agreement according to Paris Agreement article. Next question, boundary line between India and Pakistan is called. Next question, first Pakistani film name. Next question, retirement to pass constitutional amendment in National Assembly. Next question, which musical instrument is invented in Pakistan? Next question, number of senators from each province. Next question, inflammable industry in Pakistan is due to. Next question, Pakistan and Bangladesh face which disaster almost every year? Next question, who was not included in Pakistan first cabinet? Next question, Lorry Top connects Peshawar to which place? Next Kartarpur Corridor operationalized in which year? Next primary industry along Balochistan and Sindh coastal line. Next only person who served as the Vice President of Pakistan. Next Federal Constitutional Court formed under which article? Next first woman ruler in India. Next who was Montagu? Next when did Khwaja Nazmuddin died? Next before 1901, NWF was part of which province? Next Ziaul Haq was replaced by? Next Direct Action Day was observed on? Next founder of Khilji dynasty. Next 1962 Constitution was enforced by? Next which country released 572 Pakistani prisoners in Ramzan? Next decline of Mughal Empire began after the death of? Next Rawalpindi conspiracy was against which PM? Next Lenin Peace Prize was awarded to which Pakistani? Next Pitt India Act introduced in? Next Pakistan-China border agreement signed in? Next all parties conference held in? Next first agriculture reforms in Pakistan? Next Pakistan and China decided which city as industrial hub? Next who took Kashmir issue to UNO? Next founder of Dawn's newspaper? Next founder of Al Hilal newspaper? Next who presented Delhi proposals? Next founder of Tughlaq dynasty? Next founder of the Unionist Party? Next Lahore Resolution word states change into a state in which year? Next CPEC railway line near Havelia is called? Next Chitral merged into Pakistan in? Next Pakistan first investment plan? Next Gilgit-Baltistan became semi-province in? Next operation launch after Malakand incident? Next which province was divided after 1947 independence? Next Quaid-e-Azam frequently visit which place during movement? Next, majority population of Pakistan is associated with. Next, 1940 resolution who many states were demanded. Next, how many princely states joined Pakistan. Next, Bashai Mosque built by. Next, first president of Pakistan. Next, pack of refugees between India and Pakistan after partition. Next, first Chief Minister of Punjab. Next, first female judge of Supreme Court, Pakistan. Next, first economic war between India and Pakistan. Next, total seats in National Assembly of Pakistan. Next, why did the British annex Punjab? Next, CRPC section for security for keeping peace and convention. Next, Battle of Samugar was fought in. Next, Pakistan mint issue first coin in. Next, province of Pakistan at independence. Next, in 1924, who said AIML was religious organization? Next, in 1962 Constitution enforcement date. Next, in Pakistan joined IMF in. Next, in Queen Elizabeth I belonged to which dynasty? Next, in Pakistan diplomatic relation with European Economic Community began in. Next, in Pakistan operation in Kashmir during 1965 war. Next, in Silk Letter movement started by. Next, in Quran translation Fathul Rahman written by. Next, Colonel Sher Khan was martyred in which war? Next, assembly of which province approved 10 economic zones? Next, which province is known as Gateway of Islam? Next, Pakistan is not a member of which organization? Next, State Bank of Pakistan start working in. Next, Human Rights Commission of Pakistan established in. Next, first International Islamic Economic Conference in Karachi held in. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.